Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix trading if disabled in your Coinbase Pro application. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Coinbase may restrict withdrawal in your account due to any type of suspicious activity. So if you are disabled from trading on Coinbase Pro, then there might be something suspicious going on in your account. Make sure to turn on the two-factor authentication in your account in order to fix the issue. Open up your Coinbase Pro account application and make sure that you are logged in first. Now, from the main homepage, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now select the security tab from the account settings option. Make sure that you've enabled a Face ID or PIN option in order to keep your account secure. Also, if you've not verified your identity on Coinbase Pro, that might be the main reason why you're not being able to trade. Always make sure to complete your identity verification. So whenever it asks for your citizenship and your verification, simply go ahead and complete the steps. Select your citizen's type from the drop down and tap the continue button at the bottom. Verify your identity by providing this information that is displayed on the screen. You need to type in your legal name, your home address and your date of birth information. Also provide your last 4 digits of your social security number in order to get verified for Coinbase Pro. Enter your personal information as it asks to you on the next page and tap the continue button at the bottom. Wait for the verification to be approved, and once it does, you might be able to get through this situation. Also, make sure that you are in a region or a location where Coinbase trading is allowed. If you are residing in a place where Coinbase trading is not allowed, then you might be able to go through this issue. You can always use a VPN and change your location and use Coinbase Pro in order to make a transaction. Sometimes, Coinbase may restrict withdrawal in your account for a temporary period of time, so usually you can wait for about 24 hours in order to lift up the restriction. It may also take 7 days as well in order to lift up the restriction. So if it is a temporary issue caused by the server, then all you need to do is to wait for the time period as soon as the restriction gets lifted up. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to trade on Coinbase Pro. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.